What's good with y'all? Back with another video, and today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers. I'm at the house now. Excuse the squeaky door, but I'm at the house now, and me and the kids about to load up because there's a Father's Day car meet, probably like 40 minutes from the house, so we about to attend that. I'm not taking any of the cars. I'm taking the family SUV. Then I'll pick back up with y'all when we get to the meet. Alright, should be somewhere in here, I guess. Look at this. They couldn't even hang. Alright, just gotta figure out where this meat and everything is. I don't see anybody anywhere.
Eventually.
Alright, so we was right here, just took a little detour. Where should we park at? We're gonna park way down here. Let's get a road there real quick.
Corvette's right there in your face.
The Corvette is about to leave. They got another one right there. Which one you like better? I know this one sounds good though.
Yeah, that one does.
Go look at it real quick. Go look. You want to see in the inside? Go look. He don't mind, I don't think. The inside landed. You like it, man?
That's good, Daddy.
It said it does. You want one?
Yes, I want one.
You're terrible. You say you think you... Who? Me? It's a Cobra. You. Look, this is the whole point right here. Look, Lanny.
That's a Bugatti.
It is not. What is that? What is it?
I don't know. That is wow.
It's a Corvette, man. It's another one.
I like wow sounds.
I said, it looked like it scared you to me. Yeah, he was jumping.
Yeah.
Shoot, big turbo.
So what it
Sheesh.
fenders are actually the same in the rear quarter panels? I don't think they're the same. The hard part is
No, that's my favorite song. I like that sound.
So what's up?
What up, man?
Nothing much.
Doing good?
What up? Yeah, I can't complain.
Outside. Happy Father's Day.
Appreciate it. He said, "Who is this little guy? You're almost the same size as me." He's like, "What?"
Service on too. You just got scared.
He said, "Wait, he almost the same. They almost the same size. He ain't like that."
I thought he was coming after. I have 2 cars. My dad has never done anything like that before. My mom has
Can you see it? You can zoom in. You got to twist this.
That's what
right
it
here.
is, dude. I guarantee it, it's the cars. He don't like. That's why I don't bring him to it. He don't like loud noises.
Really?
He's scared of fireworks, scared of thunder, and like this shit. I think
That's like our dog. We got a big ass dog, but he's scared of thunderstorms and
He's
everything.
never done that at a kid. He loves kids, man. I think it's the loud cars, man.
I have done nothing to you. I've done nothing to you.
Come on, you want to check out the other one?
Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, good seeing you too. Appreciate it, man. Say you scared? You ain't scared no dog, boy.
No, I'm
We
not.
in the country,
He was scared of
country boy. Huh? When?
like 2 minutes ago. Should go over there. We were walking. Oh, never mind. No, like, how do I smell? Oh, we got one.
I was trying to come up with shit. I'm in there thinking in my head. I'm like, yeah,
Good, brother, you good? That way just a little. No, then come on straight.
Bike?
Yeah. Oh, dude. Calm down.
Y'all were a little, that was like 4 years.
Stop. Are they going for him? Oh.
chilling. They're watching us. They're watching us. Hey, y'all better be good boys. Let them know.
Look, he posted up in the cut down there, waiting for him to come out.
Daddy, I'm coming. Daddy, I'm going to take off my gun. Hey, ain't that doing?
This shit sound
It's
good.
already raining, Justin.
To piece everything together for him. This is not even a small size truck. No, I didn't. Get out the road.
Yeah, I feel rain coming on me.
Sheesh. Alright, so we on the way home now. I had to stop, got some cookout. Haven't had that in a minute. But when I get back to the house, I need to show y'all and update y'all on some stuff because I got some huge coming in and I'm gonna knock some stuff out before it actually comes in. And for a couple hours, took me a little nap. It's raining out here. It's been nasty all day. But I'm gonna show y'all what I was talking about on the way home. So I actually got the rear brake straight on the car, pulled it out the garage, and the front brakes are still making a slight noise. It's not as bad as it once was, but still got to get that straight. I don't think I'm gonna bother with it no more. I think I'm just gonna get it fixed when I take it to the shop and get the axle and everything put on. But as far as the car, I'm probably not gonna be able to show y'all what I was talking about today because the damn power just went out. I think a tree probably fell on the line or something since the ground is wet. But I was gonna take the bumpers and everything off because we should have the body coming in soon. So I wanna prep the car and do all of that. So tomorrow I'm gonna come out here and we're gonna knock that out. Just remove the bumpers, get everything situated. Probably clean the car up a little bit more too. And yeah, just get that ready for next week. So I'll pick back up with y'all tomorrow. What's up, my people? I'm back. It's now a new day. Time to remove these bumpers, the front and the back bumper. It honestly shouldn't take too long. I'm just gonna take them off, sit them off to the side, and get ready for this transformation. So let's get started with this one. All right, so I got the bumper off the front and the back. I'm gonna have to reuse these little brackets for the next bumper I put on here. It was fairly easy. Most of the stuff is like little clips. It's probably a total of like 8 to 10 screws for both sides. It's like, I think 4 up here and 4 in the back. Everything else was like plastic. Little tabs like this that you just push in. So, but yeah, I'm looking forward to moving forward with this build so y'all can actually see what it's gonna look like. Right now it looks like a piece of shit, so but that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share. Let's get my videos out there. I told you, looking for 5,000 this year. Y'all help me move forward. But with that being said, I'm out.